Hi, I'm Vipul Khanna. I have cleared the Civil Services Examination 2019 with All India rank of 129. So let us now move on to the mains preparation. So this means is where the fun begins. You are competing with all the serious aspirants. Everybody out there has either written means before or is highly prepared or is already selected. So you have to bring your A game to your means preparation. So let us start off with the book list first. So I'll in this section I'll only focus on the GS portion of it and not the optional. So book list for GS would be GS1. So your book list is more or less derived from your prelims book list. So history, geography you have already covered during your prelims. Same books could be revised again. For example, history, R.S. Sharma old NCERT becomes important, spectrum becomes important. For geography, the four NCERTs of 11th and 12th become important. Have a look at Mrunal sir's and Rastarangini ma'am's videos on Mrunal sir's channel for reference. So this is basically covered from prelims itself. There is sociology as well in this paper. For this, I used to refer to two NCERT Indian society books. I think they are 11th and 12th books. So these more or less cater to what is the requirement of this exam. Apart from that, so this is the basic book list. So this paper primarily consists of these three sections: history, geography and sociology. So this is the book list bit of it. Apart from that, primary source of my preparation used to be Vision IAS's last 3 years question papers. I mean test series question papers. So generally they have 4 tests each year. So 4 tests each year, 20 questions. So 80 questions each year. If you multiply by 3 for 3 years, you have a question bank of 240 questions for each of these sections. I think this is more than good enough. Do only this and you would sail through in terms of content requirement for this exam. So this is for GS1. And also refer to past 6 years previous year question papers of civil services examination since 2013. This is when the pattern of the exam had changed and it had become very dynamic. So you would get a clue on what are the topics that are important. So apart from these 3 years of Vision IS, also have a look at last 6 years PYQs, previous year question papers of CSE. This would remain constant across all the 4 GS4 papers. GS2 is one portion wherein it is considered to be low scoring. But fortunately, I maybe by a bit of luck, but I have also always scored well in GS2, and I attribute it to my newspaper reading habits. So I think a possible mistake that many people might be doing in this paper is going too factual. I mean, this can sound a little counterintuitive, but I think civil services exam is about your opinions, your ability to create a sense out of what is being asked rather than filling up or dumping information or facts into your paper. I'm not saying that do not write facts. Go for facts where they are needed. For example, in intro, there is a good possibility to write fact or a committee. In conclusion, you can end with a relevant committee that was catering to the topic. But do not go too overboard in terms of how you go about doing facts for GS2. So first is newspaper reading in terms of sources. Next would be, I also refer to monthly magazine of Vision of last 12 months before means. Apart from this, so In the earlier section in GS1, I used to cover the last 3 previous year questions of Vision IAS test series. In this case, I used to do it from Lukman IAS. Last 3 years question papers. Again, so if you go through this bank of 240 questions along with the notes that are being done by sir while discussing those answers, I mean, I was fortunate or unfortunate to have given this exam enough times to have my own notes for these last 3 years. You can borrow it from somebody, from your friend who has possibly given the exam earlier, or you can get it from the market, or you can also get the printed solutions from the market as well. But I would, if you can get hold of sir's discussion notes, that would be really beneficial. So of Lukman IAS. Apart from that, last 6 years CSE, Civil Services exam question papers, you have to go through to understand what is being asked so that you can study relevant stuff. So this is with respect to GS2. Now moving over to GS3. Again, things remain pretty similar. One is newspaper reading. Second is Vision IAS monthly magazines of 12 months. And here I again switch to last 3 years question papers of Vision IAS. These are available in the market quite easily in printed format, last 3 years question papers of Vision IAS. So just go through it. Apart from that, value addition, I used to do from 2 sources, economic survey and budget of the current year. So, and the same 6 years question papers of CSE. Now I would want to focus on these 2 sections. Now there is a whole lot of doubt as to how to go about doing these 2. I mean, I have seen people do well by simply reading the summaries that are available for these 2 in the market, but I used to read it fully, at least the economic survey bit of it. This is the most, this can give you the conceptual understanding on every topic. Each and every chapter you would find relevant to the syllabus. So my suggestion to you would be, if you are not too pressed for time with respect to your optional or anything, if you can read it in its entirety, it would help you out. But I have seen people clear the exam and in fact do very well by simply reading the summaries as well. I read it in its entirety. This as well, I went through the complete thing, budget. So this is the second bit of it. Now moving over to GS4. So, I mean, I must firstly let you know that GS4 used to be my Achilles heel. I never was able to figure out this paper. And it is not the case that I have not scored well in this paper. I have done reasonably well in some of my attempts, but I was never able to predict what was happening right or wrong. So I won't go too much into details into how I did, because I was not able to figure it out myself as well, but I'll let you know what I did. Newspaper reading, just take out examples for ethics. For example, if some officer has shown some integrity, done some good work, you can use it as an example or a model in your answers. I used to do that, collate examples from newspapers, that is one bit. Then for the section 1, which is the theory section of this, I used to refer Pawan Kumar sir's notes, but I have also heard that Orient IAS's notes are also really good with respect to section 1. With respect to section 2, which is the case study section, my only source of preparation used to be Ansari sirs, who teaches at Lukman. Lukman IAS's 100 case study classes. I used to take it every year to keep myself fresh as to how to write the answers to these case studies. So this was my preparation strategy. For this particular section, I would highly advise you to go through last 6 years CSE question papers and do it multiple times till you get it right. Many of the questions would be repeated, or the concepts would be repeated. For example, some of the concepts that are applied in some of the case studies in 2013 were again asked in 2017. So these last 6 years question papers become very important. Do it multiple times, do it till you get them right, till you become very comfortable in these 6 years question papers. Apart from that, to be honest, I was myself not that comfortable with this paper to be going into more details into this paper. So this is the book list for GS mains.